In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a URL to Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to attach a website, meeting link, resource page, or any important web page directly to a calendar event so it's easy to find later. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar and find the event where you want to add the link. Once you see the event, double-click it to open the full event details. This is important because the full editing view gives you access to all the fields you need. Now look for the description area and click on Add Description. This is where you can place extra notes, instructions, or helpful links related to the event. After that, you'll want to click the Insert Link icon. This icon lets you turn regular text into a clickable hyperlink inside the description. When the link window appears, you'll see two boxes. In the first box, type the text you want people to see. For example, you could write something like meeting link, project page, or official website. In the second box, enter the full URL address you want to attach. Make sure the link is typed correctly, including the full web address, so it opens properly when clicked. Once both boxes are filled in, click OK to save the link. You should now see the linked text inside the description area. From there, just save the event, and your Google Calendar entry will now include a clickable URL. This is a great way to organize important information, especially if you schedule meetings, share resources, or keep track of online events. And that's it. You've successfully added a URL to Google Calendar. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more easy how-to tutorials.